It's me again. I'm back to the Wilton Vise. These are the old Wilton jaws, right? And I checked my scrap pile, and I don't have any steel this big. Like, I don't have anything solid like that. But I do have a small chunk of aluminum I can use, which, if you look at this chunk of aluminum, the jaws are about the same thickness. So I'm thinking of lopping off a piece right here, about that big, and then zipping it down the middle and making a set of aluminum jaws for it. Might look a little weird with a, I don't know, nobody cares really. Might be a little weird with a Wilton Vise with aluminum jaws. I prefer a piece of brass, but I don't have a piece of brass. I don't even have a big thick chunk of steel, because if I had steel, I'd be able to, I got a humongous scrap pile over here with no thick pieces. I think the only thing I have is, I don't know. But anyway, that's my next thing on my agenda. I have my little cordless reciprocating saw. I'm gonna chomp through some aluminum later this week, and I'm gonna bring the batteries over because the lithium batteries really don't like the cold in here. In fact, my phone doesn't like the cold either. So that's why I'm gonna probably get a heating pad, put my other two phones in here, plug them in, and then change them out, because they're just gonna go dead on me. This thing almost went dead a while ago. So that's my next thing to do on the Wilton Vise, because if I can get the jaws done, and then the next thing I do is I think I have to put the I have to measure where the bar back key is. Then I'm going to drill it out and probably just put a screw in it and Loctite it in. This way, if it wears out, somebody can just take it out. So I have the key made for it. Actually, I made the key, ground it down, and it fits. Like, yeah, it basically, the little key on the slide, it goes kind of like curved. I guess they didn't have a $1 million machine just to cut it nice and straight. It must have went down I don't know. They must have been tobogganing when they made it. So yeah, I'm gonna get that done, and that'll be my next project this week. I want to get that Wilton I want to get the Wilton Vise done. I'm gonna take it when I'm done mocking it all up and screwing it all back together and get all the machining done. I'm gonna bring it over to my house. Probably gonna prime it here, bring it to my house, put it where it's warm, and spray paint it. Or I'll just prime it and leave it till spring, which is probably a better idea. So it's only like 4 months from now. So you'll probably see this in 4 months anyway. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy the videos. Back to the Wilton Vise. I was showing you this bar momentarily ago in the video. And while digging around, because I have a giant scrap pile here full of, I found this. So I have, I don't know, what is it, a 1 inch? It looks like a 1 inch by 1 inch square. It's about a 7/8 by 7/8 inch bar. This thing is only got to be like what? 6/8, 3/4. It's about a little, I can't see. It's a little under 3/4. But wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3. 13/16, I think. Yeah. Well, maybe it's, hold on. No, it's 3/4 of an inch. The side was worn down on here. So anyway, do I make it this thick, a little beefier? Do I spend time? I could cut steel. I could easily strap it to the bench, cut it off. I'm wondering, do I see? This is the difference in thickness. So do I want to lop it in half and do it? I don't know. I really don't know, because it's a pain. It's more work than I really want to do. This, well, on the other hand, is the aluminum it's basically, for me, I either got to do a shitload of cuts on here, but in this I can probably bolt it to my bench and strap a guide to it and just cut it down and probably make 3 cuts. This is going to require a whole lot of polishing and machining. Do I want, the thing is I have hard steel jaws on that one. I have hard steel jaws on that one. I have steel jaws on that one with a set of brass covers. I have hard steel jaws on that one, and I think I have hard steel jaws on every other one, except for the aluminum block over there. So, do I want to make another soft? Well, aluminum's not that soft. I mean, the brass one's probably, I don't know, it's softer. Maybe this is softer or whatever. Or the brass one's softer aluminum, but at least these are semi-soft, I guess. So, maybe. I don't know. It's a toss-up. But I'm going to figure it out. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. And I will make some videos of me chopping it up. Either this on a chop saw or a hand grinder. Cut it down. I don't know if I want to... I got to... Before I even attempt to make a nice... Before I even attempt to make one this big, I need to dial in my milling machine, because it goes like, it basically rides upward. It's not very much. It's about a, well, then again, for a machinist it's much, but for me, I would just like it somewhat flat, you know, 1/1000th of an inch. I don't need it 10/1000th of an inch flat. I just need it like within, you know, a couple of thousandths, maybe 1/1000th of an inch, just to go straight, like, you know, straight as a normal level is. But it rides up at least a a 1/16th of an inch. Like, you could see it. Just you take a tape measure and you can tape. So that's how. So I gotta dial it in. Anyway, enough bullshitting. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and where the hell's my off button? Thank you.